Hi guys, welcome to my house. Sorry I couldn't be there today, but I'm going to walk you through today's activity. So you should have this sheet in front of you that says trend line exploration, and I'm going to run through the directions real quick. Alright, so after you watch this video, the first thing you'll need is to get a piece of rope. It's really more like t-shirt material, but there should be a bunch of these up at the front table by the smartboard, and then a ruler up there as well. So directions, it says measure the length of the rope in inches, record your answer on the chart for 0 knots. So down here on the chart, I've already done that. If I haven't tied any knots in this thing, every one of yours should be 12 inches long. Part 2 is tie a knot anywhere in the rope, measure the length and record it on the chart. It is very important that all of your knots be similar in size. Repeat until you have at least 4 knots in the rope. Tie as many knots as possible. And then 4, create a scatter plot of your data, label your x-axis and y-axis, then give your graph an appropriate title. Draw a trend line for your data. Okay, so I'm going to start doing that. So I'm going to take this piece, tie my knot, and then I'm going to come and measure again, and always go to the nearest ½ inch. So if I look at that, I got 11 inches. So on my paper for 1 knot, I'm going to put 11 inches. Come back and tie another one. Ooh, maybe. And measure. Okay, that one's kind of close. Go with 10 and a half. Tie another one. Looks like 9 and a half. And then keep on going, and I'm trying to put mine as close together as possible so that you can get a bunch on there, because this 12 inches is not as long as you would think. Eight and a half. All right, and I'm going to stop there, but you can keep going until you get 6 knots, but you should have at least 4. So then labeling your x and y axis. My ordered pairs should come from this table. So the number of knots is going to be my x-axis, length, and I'm going to put in inches. It's going to be my y-axis. So you need to create an appropriate scale on the y-axis, the x-axis, and then start creating a scatter plot. Remember, you don't need to connect your dots, but each of these will be an ordered pair. Okay? Don't forget to draw a trend line for your data after you've plotted all of those points. And then on the back, there are some questions that you need to reflect on and think about what it means for your scatter plot. So when you are all done, you can turn this in, and then there's homework in Schoology that says ready to go on. If you have any questions, hopefully the sub can help you out, but I think you got this. Thanks.